Today we'll be creating one of my favorite variations of a popular streamer pattern in my home waters. And if you'd like to win it, comment #flies in the comments below. We'll start off with some black thread, securing it to our hook shank and wrapping towards the bend of our hook. Here, we'll grab a red feather, strip away a small clump, and secure it to the back of the fly in order to create a small hotspot. Secure it tightly to the hook shank, securing the excess tightly to our hook shank. With this complete, we'll grab some easy body, here in the color pearl, slide it over our hook shank toward the back of the fly, and use your thread to secure it in place. Here I used a black thread, however if you want a cleaner look, you can use a white or add a hotspot using red. Secure it tightly. Snip away some of the excess before whip finishing to secure it in place, and snip your thread free. We'll then add some UV resin to further secure it, fixing it in place with a UV light. Snip away some of the body, exposing the hook eye, reattaching your thread towards the head of the fly, and secure the body in place, leaving some room at the head of the fly for our next steps. With this complete, we'll grab a mallard flank, stripping away some of the excess feathers, and rolling it in your fingers to get a tapered shape. Position this over the top of the fly, and secure it in place using your thread. Snip the excess free, and secure the tag end tightly in place. Next, we'll grab another clump of our red feather, securing it to the underside of our fly in order to create the throat. Secure tightly. Snip your excess free, and use your thread to carefully cover up the tag ends. Whip finish to hold everything in place. Snip your thread free, painting over the head with some UV resin to add some shine and durability to our pattern, before fixing in place with a UV light. And this is my variation of the pattern known as Joe's Smelt, a popular fly pattern used in Maine to imitate the smelt runs in the spring, but is also used in the fall for trout and salmon as an attractor pattern. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.